Today we're making bắp nướng mỡ hành, Vietnamese grilled corn with scallion oil. This is a Vietnamese street corn recipe that cannot be more simple but tastes super delicious. It consists of grilled corn on the cob and a savory, flavorful scallion oil. Traditionally, this would be made with bắp nếp, Vietnamese glutinous corn, but any type will work. If you have a charcoal grill, of course that will be the best method because it will give the corn a lovely smokiness, but you can definitely make this recipe in the oven, which is what I'm doing today. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need fresh ears of corn, green onion, a neutral oil, I'm using vegetable oil, salt, and optional MSG to give it a little boost of flavor. I just started preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we'll prep our corn. We want to peel off most of the outer layer, and you don't want to break off this bit at the bottom because then we can use it as a handle while eating. We want to leave just 1 or 2 layers closest to the corn so that when we're baking, it keeps the moisture in. Okay, that is about good. Just gonna pull off the silk at the top. Now we'll bake these in the oven for about 20 minutes, turning every 5 minutes or so. While the corn is cooking, we'll prep the scallion oil. These have been washed, now we'll chop them up. I don't like using too much of the white parts, so we'll set that aside. Spicy.
Add in the chopped green onion, stir in quickly, then turn off the heat. Add in MSG and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt at a time to taste. Stir to combine.
Okay, this is our corn after 20 minutes. I'm going to peel off the rest of the husk and the silk. I'm going to take some of this oil and brush it on the corn and put them back in the oven. You want to add just the oil, not any of the green onion. You don't want that to burn. Now we're going to broil this until it's nice and golden. To give it a little bit of smokiness and mimic the charred bits that you get from using a charcoal grill, I'm going to torch the corn a little bit.
And that's it. The only thing left to do is to top the corn with the scallion oil and enjoy.
Let's taste. The thing about this dish is that it's good, but it's gonna be messy. So, might not have been my best idea to wear a white shirt. It's so good. Spread out the scallion oil a little bit. The sweetness of the corn, the flavor from the green onion, and the fattiness from the oil. Chef's kiss.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and visit mmbonapetit.com for more Vietnamese and French recipes.